folks, what you're seeing on the screen right now is a 2-day chart of the S&P 500. I've also got the NAS queued up here. We're going to come back to the NAS in just a few seconds here, but this is going to be a really important video, especially for those of you traders that are beginner traders, or you're losing traders, or maybe you just have no clue how the market operates, right? And I've been there. Look, man, I've looked at a million different charts. I've evaluated thousands of different indicators. And what I can tell you here, this volume indicator, all right, which is this green and red color band here, which, by the way, absolutely nailed the bull run here on the S&P 500. This is the thing that really has been what I call my savior, right? And that might be a bit of an exaggeration, but not really. This is the thing that I think is going to bring a lot of consistency, okay, and discipline to your trading. Why? Because volume is what creates these moves, right? I know you're looking at the world right now and it's kind of crazy that the market's just going straight up, right? Apparently, there's no more COVID. Interest rates are going to stay at 0% forever. And apparently, there's no inflation either, right? Market is just happy as a clam and the buyers are in charge. And that's really what the volume indicator will tell you, right? It's not up to me and you to enforce our views on the world. Look, I'm with you. I think this market's overvalued. But I'm not going to be trading against the color. If it's green, I'm not going to be that dummy who tries to short the market today, right? Which, by the way, I know a lot of you guys were trying to do. I got a ton of messages from people who absolutely got destroyed over the last 2 days trying to short the market. What are you going to do? It's so clearly and obviously green. Why are you trying to short the market when the buyers are in control, right? That, folks, is essentially what a volume indicator can do. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not a guarantee that you're going to make millions of dollars in trading, okay? All this volume indicator does is it tells you who is in control. Sometimes it's the sellers, in which case the volume indicator turns red, and today it was the buyers that are in control. And that's why you see the volume indicator turn green. Now, why is this important? Well, this is important because I'm a firm believer that if you want to find any hope of succeeding in day trading, you've got to get the direction right. Okay? If you don't get the direction right, you were like every other idiot today who tried to short the market here and then tried to short the market here, and then you're probably still trying to short the market. And look, you might eventually be right, okay? But real traders will tell you that it's not about being right or wrong. You follow? Finding consistency in your trading involves putting the odds in your favor, right? When it turns green here, there is a higher probability that the market's going to go up than the probability it's going to go down. That's all the game that we're playing, okay? Probabilities. And when you're right, boy, are you right. And when you're wrong, the max you lose, hopefully, if you follow good risk-reward profiles, is maybe the value of 1 or 2 bars, right? So even if you were wrong, let's say this volume indicator was not green, all right? Let's say it was green for like a couple of bars and then it turned red. Well, yeah, expect to get stopped out, right? So the game of trading, folks, is trying to capture multiple bars in your favor, aka a trend. That's what this volume indicator is designed to do. It's a trend following strategy. It's a trend trading system. It's not a scalping system. It's not a top calling and bottom calling system. It is nothing more than a very simplistic way to capitalize on large, long trends in the market. You follow? Same thing on the NAS, my friends. All right, look at this. In fact, the NAS was a little bit better because in today's session, we actually got some setups. All right, let me zoom in here. Look at this, 9:57 a.m. All right, let's really dial in here, folks. Okay, let me zoom in here. This is 9:57 a.m. All right, the volume indicator, you can see the arrow here, it turned green. All right. And so what a potential entry might look like is you'd want to think about going long on the open of the next bar. You'd want to place your stop 1 or 2 ticks below the signal bar, all right? And then just let the market do its thing. Maybe it takes off, maybe it doesn't, right? That's not up to you. That's up to the market. And on days like today, whew, guys, this was 800 ticks and pips potential if you're following along in Forex. Think about that, 800 ticks or pips, right? Now that's not a small move. In fact, I think some people would kill to make 800 ticks or pips a month. We got that potential just in a single day. So here's the takeaway, folks, all right? Whether the market goes up or whether the market goes down, it's not your job to understand why that's the case. You follow? You only have one job as a trader, and that's to follow the smart money, follow the institutions. Look, this huge move today, right? This is not something that me and you can do. This is billions, maybe trillions of dollars being deployed back into the market, whether it's short sellers covering their shorts or fresh buyers coming in, who knows? All I can tell you is this volume indicator does a phenomenal job of identifying the trend. And if all you did was follow a simple color-coded system and strategy, implement good risk-reward practices, okay, I'm willing to bet you that you're going to find that consistency in your trading that you've been looking for. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.